This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, April 20th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You'll see quite a bit of cloudiness extending from the Great Lakes through the Ohio and Tennessee valleys into the south. That's with thunderstorms along a cold front, and a lot of them severe with tornadoes and severe winds. Here's the watch warning map from last evening. You can see the plethora of severe thunderstorm and tornado watches with severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings over North Dakota and northern lower Michigan. The rest of the country quiet. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. This only takes into effect the next storm system, so only a quarter to half an inch over the northern two-thirds, with up to an inch to maybe a little more over the south. Let's take a look at it. The 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. A zonal flow over the country with a vortex over the lakes and into the upper Midwest. Down below at the surface, the low pressure over just north of Buffalo, with a cold front that will start to stall just south of the state, but cooler conditions will prevail. Highs will likely be about what they were today, but with sunshine. Thursday, that front is now beginning to move back north. Some precipitation may break out over the western part of the state by Thursday afternoon. It'll be Thursday evening for the rest of the state by that point. By Friday, here comes another storm with a low near Omaha, and a trailing cold front will be a little further north, so there may be a chance for some thunderstorms. Snow is not likely with this storm, but this storm quickly moves off here on Saturday. The storm is way to the north. Cooler air, but not overly cold. Temperatures will be a few degrees below average, but they'll be up near 60 degrees. Easter Sunday will be perfect. Maybe a few clouds further to the south, but highs will likely be in the upper 50s north to lower to middle 60s in the center and southern part of the state. But rain moves back in Sunday night into Monday. Here another low near Omaha with a warm front draped across the state, so some showers and thunderstorms possible then. Severe weather? It could be possible. We'll look into that later. Tuesday, that storm doesn't move very fast. The low is moved to about Algona. Dry slot moves in over the eastern counties, while the western counties maybe get some sprinkles, but the severe weather will be east of the state. And a week from today, Wednesday, that low is now over about Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. There could be some backwash sprinkles, but nothing more than that. We head into voodoo country. Here's May 1st, a vortex over South Dakota with a trough extending into the central Rockies, with a ridge over the southeast. Down below, a low pressure in southern Minnesota. That could mean some stormy weather with some severe weather possible along the cold front from that south and west. The next day, that storm moves quickly away, so that will only be a one-day event, Sunday into Sunday night most likely, with cooler air behind that, the 540 line well south of the state. And we head to the end of the forecast period on May the 5th, a large trough upper level low over Nevada and California, with a deep trough over Canada and another over the eastern part of the country. At the surface, looks rather muddled with some storms here and there, but it looks rather dry across the country. But in voodoo, things can change rather quickly. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.